What has happened is very unfortunate and mean to malign our honorable governor and is politically instigated. This is purely malicious political propaganda by some key county politicians who are out to gain political mileage because of long-standing political differences. The unfortunate incident that befell our brother, former CEC Idriss Mukhtar, is uncalled for and is being used to malign the image and standing of our honorable governor.
We want to make it clear that the governor was not arrested. He was not under house arrest. He was just summoned, and he just went there to write his own reports. That was a statement as a law-abiding person. And as leaders, we are aware and we know what's happening in this country, especially our county, Garissa at large. There are politics, and everybody is playing his own role. As politicians, we are aware who is behind this, and we know who is trying to bring in the governor in this process.